ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. This is the biggest issue with most people your age. They don't want to start because they have all these preconceptions.
Also, there was this video that talked about 4 rules for life, or 4 rules or how to achieve something. Have a visualization, then forget about that goal.
Large,
right? After a particular division into certain smaller steps. Right? So what all you just said, like, does it have to do with the very basic fact that whatever after the synthesis, I divide the bigger picture into smaller parts.
ठीक है, हाँ.
Right? In order to achieve those smaller parts, I work hard every day. Well, those smaller parts are still, जब उनकी bigger picture में तो it's basically a big one. But on a very minute level, वो अभी भी एक goal ही है. ठीक है? तो इस सबसे बाहर कैसे निकला जाए कि where I realize कि yes, it is a smaller part in the larger picture. अभी consciously I'm admitting it is. But while engaging in the process, how do I, decide for myself?
Bro, it seems like a very particular issue. Like, I'm still finding it a little hard to imagine what you're trying to tell me. Because, so what you're saying is कि जब मैं छोटे goals chase करने के लिए निकलता हूँ, I get lost in the idea and I think they're the bigger goal. At all points, the purpose of you forgetting the big goal in lieu of the small goals is so that it does not haunt you every day. समझ रहा है? अगर तेरा एक political career है, you start off as a worker for a political party. And if you tell yourself every day I'm going to become the prime minister, your efforts might seem in vain. Life की direction सीधी नहीं जाती. Life की direction zigzag जाती है. It's always running in circles. It's a beautiful, complicated line. It's never straight. And you will never be able to follow through with the fluency of life. You will never be able to flow through things that you did not account for in life. कल को कुछ बुरा हो सकता है, कल को कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है, कल को हो सकता है तुम्हारी डायरेक्शन चेंज होने के लिए तुम्हारा मन बन जाए फॉर वट एवर रीजन. यू नीड टू एलिमिनेट दिस अनफ्रीडम, दिस प्रिजन यू क्रिएटेड फॉर योर सेल्फ विद द बिगर गोल. क्योंकि जब तुम बिग गोल डिसाइड करते हो, तुमने 50 साल फ्रीज कर दिए अपने लाइफ के. इट इज नॉट अकाउंटिंग फॉर द रैंडमनेस दैट विल हैपन टू यू. इट इज नॉट अकाउंटिंग फॉर ब्यूटी दैट माइट कम टू यू हैपेंस्टांस से. As far as the fear of failure goes, bro, I don't think it has anything to do with small goals or big goals. That's just fear of failure. Or if there is a fear कि मैं ज़्यादा कर दूंगा, कम कर दूंगा, मैं ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले लूंगा, मैं कम स्ट्रेस ले लूंगा, there is no clear way of knowing that. पहले से नहीं पता लगा सकते. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. This is the biggest issue with most people your age. They don't want to start because they have all these preconceptions. एक प्रोसेस होता है लर्निंग का, देयर इज फाइनमैन टेक्निक, देयर इज फलाना, देयर इज ढिमका. एक प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम, वेयर आई गो स्विम एज अ किड व्हेन आई वाज 3 or 4 years old, मेरे कोच कहते थे देसी हिसाब. एंड हिज आइडिया वाज वेरी सिंपल, टेक द किड, थ्रो हिम इनटू द पूल. फिर वो हाथ पैर चलाएगा, देखेगा उसकी बॉडी की नेचुरल इंक्लिनेशन क्या है इस काम के साथ. फिर वो रियलाइज करेगा वो कितना स्विम कर सकता है, कितना नहीं कर सकता है. फिर मैं उसको टेक्निक दूंगा, फिर मैं उसको इन्फॉर्म करूंगा. As far as doing anything in life is concerned, that is your MO. First jump, first make the mistake, get slapped across your face. Realize मैं यहां गलत हूं, और realize मेरे instincts इन directions में ठीक हैं. क्योंकि life में कोई भी game absolutely original नहीं है. There is some elements of other games that inform other games. There is some elements of chess I can apply to career. There is some elements of creating videos I can apply to saying or to wishing people happy birthdays. There is elements that inform each other. And if you sit outside and imagine those elements in your head, you are going nowhere. You have to dive. उस डर का कोई इलाज नहीं है, कोई रामबाण नहीं है उस डर के खिलाफ. यही है कर्म. ओवर थिंकिंग होती ही इसीलिए है क्योंकि तुम्हारे हाथ बिजी इनफ नहीं है. तुम्हारा दिमाग only replaces the activity that your hands need to be doing, your legs need to be doing. So all of this at this point, the reason why your question is so probably confusing, probably I'm just stupid, but the reason why the question is so convoluted in a way where it's not clear is because you've overthought it. You sat outside on the sidelines too long. Stop. This is one of the first symptoms. Question का substance भी मत देखो. Symptom क्या है? Question is too convoluted. It's way too specific. It's involving way too many references. It's not arriving at the point it needs to arrive. That's because you've thought too long. You're caught in your own माया जाल. तूने वो नेट डाला और खुद ही को पकड़ लिया उसमें. समझ रहा है? I think my most artistic piece is this kind of content I make where I put down 4 rules for different tough circumstances, back it up with music and visuals. I like it. I don't know. You'd probably like it too. Go check it out, and if you like it enough, press the subscribe button.